Hey, if you want to add or remove SIM card PIN code on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, all you have to do is just to go to the settings. Now from this, move to the connections, then select SIM manager. Now scroll down, move to the more SIM settings, and now you have to go into the SIM card security. From this, if you already turn it on, you can actually click on it one more time and make it gray to get rid of the PIN code, and you will actually have to provide the current PIN codes to turn it off. If you want to create the new PIN code, just click here, and as you can see from this, we have to enter current SIM card PIN code, and we've got actually the 3 items. If it will be like incorrect, you will actually have to put it one more time, but you have to remember that you have only 3 items. And if you want to change the SIM card pin, you can actually do this by clicking here. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.